Welcome to a new vlog. This is gonna be a quarantine vlog.
That's right.
That's right. And we're going to this tiny little beach where apparently there's nobody, so that way we are distancing ourselves from everybody. So it'll be safe. We're gonna have a little picnic and just gonna chill by the water for a while. Hopefully we get there and there's actually not anybody there, so that it's totally okay. By the way, for anybody who doesn't know who this gem is, this is Federico the Italian. He is my fiance.
Hey.
Since you're Italian, let's do a little preview of the Italian-ness in the car. Why don't you say something in Italian?
Yeah, I just want to say I'm not from Jersey. I'm from Italy. I'm literally from Italy, unfortunately.
Say something in Italian. Oh, something that's like...
okay, so... What should I say? Tell me what do I have to say.
Today is a beautiful day out.
Oggi è un bellissimo giorno fuori. Ma?
Beautiful.
Ma? That's it. That's it.
Okay, that's good enough.
It's like 99.9% olive oil and 1% meat, probably. I don't have hair.
Yeah, you're still scarfing it down in 2 minutes.
It's like 25. Yeah, well, this is not like an Italian sandwich because usually in Italy, I don't want to sound like oh yeah, because actually in Italy we don't do this, we don't do that, but like in Italy we put one type of meat and that's it. You guys put like 45 types of meat, but
it's true. What are you so
yeah, me, I just forgot to say the properties. Okay, it's recording. What do you think about that sandwich that you're actually eating right now? Very good. There we go. Flying away. What? Here we go.
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Nice.
Maybe like a 7 out of 10.
Okay, and then don't forget to eat your fruit.
Oh yeah. So it's good. I'm not gonna lie, they just don't say it want it.
It's actually a very good drink. I feel like you guys have a lot of like weird like cherry drinks or whatever. There's another one that's called like Dr. Pibb or whatever.
Oh, it's so good.
No, it's not Dr. Pibb. It's like Dr. Bob whatever. Yeah, it's like a fake. It's not even a fake Dr. Pepper. It tastes.
It's like straight black cherry.
Slightly different, yeah, but it's very good. If you're in Philly, you can get it at the cheesecake place in Center City in. What's it? What's it? Oh, cheesesteak. yeah, cheesesteak. What? Yeah, I think it's Jim's. I don't think you're gonna hear anything because it's so windy. It's insane. One day.
Fred's running after his bag. You alright there? Our beach excursion was for sure a fail, a big fat F. It was so windy and we were like the only ones there. Now I see why. It is so cold. It is so windy. We lasted literally probably like 30 minutes, didn't we, Fred?
Huh? Yeah.
We lasted like 30 minutes.
Seconds.
I like have goosebumps. It's not even that cold. It's like the wind whips you in the face and you're just so freezing. Literally the best ice cream in the world. This is tragic. Right now we're here on the boardwalk. It's crazy. Literally nobody's here. Like nobody's here. This is so crazy. Hey brother, this kind of looks like you.
Kind of looks like me.
Here, go smile next to him. You look the same. Oh my god. I don't think I can do this anymore.
Me neither.
It's so cold. Literally my fingers are like...
Have nothing else to say? Nothing else to say?
I got nothing else to say.
Okay.
We were on our way home, and before we even got out of the beach town, we passed this really cute little shop with all these pots and plants and everything, so I think we're gonna go check it out. See? So cute. Hey everyone, it's a new day, obviously. Well, I guess it's not really that obvious, but when I got home from the beach, I totally passed out. I was so tired from doing absolutely nothing, which makes zero sense, but it's okay. I'm actually going back to the beach tomorrow night to stay at my uncle's place for a couple days, so I'm gonna try to make a video out of that, so that'll be fun. Oh, my dog Callie came over to say hi. Callie, hi! Hi! Come here. Oh, hi. Oh my god, she's so cute. Look at her. Also, quick OOTD. This scarf I actually got in Paris when I was there last year. It's a huge scarf, and I just folded it up and kind of put it like a bandana, tied in the back. And then I have a bunch of random necklaces. I honestly get these everywhere. I kind of just grab them whenever I find them. I don't really buy expensive necklaces because I lose them all and I tangle them all up. So honestly, crappy ones are like totally cool with me. And next I have this little cutout tube top romper. No, it's not a romper. It's a bodysuit. And then underneath I have these really cute light washed jeans that I got at Bershka in Amsterdam when I was there last year. Also today I'm trying out this new bandana look. I mean, I'm not really going out in public, I'm just staying here at the house, but I just saw it on somebody the other day and I thought it was so cute and I wanted to try it. I really feel like a straight up pirate though, but I kind of think it's cute. I don't know, good, bad, I don't know. Ugly, is it cute? Let me know. If anybody else has any ideas of any videos that would be cool to do, let me know. It's still kind of quarantine, not really, but kind of. A lot of things are still closed around here, so I still want to be safe and not be around people. So if you have any ideas, let me know. Look. Oh my god. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. I know these are still really works in progress for sure. I still don't really know what I'm doing, but I swear I'm trying my best.